Welcome to Topic FS, where we make it simple to every trader around the world and where we teach you how to make money on your own without stress. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. God bless you. So now, having understand this, the next question is, what do we trade in the Forex market? What is traded on the Forex market? We traded one, fiat. Fiat is the currency of a nation. Fiat, F-I-A-T, fiat. Fiat is the currency of a nation. Now, the fiat of Nigeria is Naira. The fiat of Euro is Euro. The fiat of America is American dollar. The fiat of Canada is Canadian dollar. Every nation has their own fiat currency. So everybody has their own what? Fiat currency. So that is one of the things we traded in this market. We also trade what we call oil industry. Nigeria has oil. Iran, many nations has oil. They trade it also. We have futures. We have gold. We have silver. All this gold that people are buying, they are wearing it. We are trading it here online. Any price that you see here on the line is what they sell in the market. Is what they will call it for you in the market. We trade silver, we trade oil, we trade shares. All those Amazon, Facebook, Tesla, Volkswagen, name all these big cars, all these big companies. We trade them under shares. You know that they always have shares for people to participate and grow with their company. And we also have cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is an electronic coin. Electronic coin, this is the latest form of money that is already circulating in the world right now. They are already circulating. We have Ethereum, we have BTC, which is their father, we have Doge, we have so many one Litecoin, and we have US shares, we have UK shares, we have bond, we trade bond. Bond.
Hello, sir.
Yeah?
You said BTC is their father.
Yes. It has been in existence for long. That's what I mean. It's the leading coin. It's the one that is leading. It's the one that is leading every other coin. That's what I mean. So now, go and look at BTC. If BTC is dropping, go and check every other coin. They will be dropping. You can quote me anywhere. If BTC is rising, most of the other coin also will follow suit. Now, we have what we call the UK shares. We have bond. Now, I was talking on bond before Busayo comes in. The bond, Nigeria and America has a bond. Nigeria and the UK has a bond. Israel and United Nations, America, they have a bond. And what is the bond that they had? That you provide me security, and me, I will provide you ammunition, and I will provide you some other things to do weapon. Because there is a soul of America, of Israel, that can be used for weapon. So now they had a bond. Nigeria also had a bond with America, and when it comes to weapons, so they collect it in replacement for oil, and sometimes they do some other transaction. So everybody has a bond. Every nation has a bond. Now, almost, even not almost, all the European nations, except for France and I think Italy, they also has a bond with America. whereby they should provide security for them. And they pay them. That is the reason why you see that they have American military base in almost all those nations. And that is what they wanted to do to some other country in Africa, also that they are rejecting. And some people are accepting it. So different bonds take place in different nations. We also have what we call energy. Energy is when you are using all those solar systems to power your house, you are converting nature to electricity, to many, many things. And also we have indices. Indices are those one we call volatility, all those jump, boom, and crash. They are under indices. So these are the things that is being traded in the Forex market, in the financial market. Now, under Forex, we have fiat, we have different things. Now, if somebody said, oh, what is the difference between Forex and crypto? You will just call the person and correct the person. Everything is a financial market. We have different types. We have fiat, we have crypto, and crypto is being classified under electronic coin. So that the person that you are talking to, we know that this person really knows what he's talking about. And there is one that I didn't even mention that I jumped also, which is the commodities. Commodities are goods that they are mined. Anything that is being mineable, anything that they mine is referred to as commodities. In as much that thing is being processed from the ground and they bring it out of the ground. Now, can anybody give me anything that is being mined? Anyone? Who can give me that? Something that is being mined. Your cocoa is being mined because it comes from ground. They are called the soft commodities, and we have hard commodities. Hard commodities are oil, gold, silver, anything that they have to dig, diamond, that they need to break ground and bring out of the ground is being referred to as commodities.
Thank you for watching our video. I believe you are blessed and you enjoy yourself. And for you to enjoy more of our videos, please like, share, and subscribe. And please make sure you watch the next video for you to have more broad knowledge. Till I come your way, remain blessed.